Well, good evening, tubers. It's Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. And today is the 18th of December 2021. And we've been talking about Congress and how they are literally trying to get themselves schooled up on crypto so that they can start, legislating and trying to tax people's crypto wallets and baskets that they've been building up for years. And of course, you've heard me get on my soapbox about how much I just despise the fact that, here they are trying to take away from us after they missed the bus. But, there is light at the end of the tunnel, because even though we've got Elizabeth Warren and Maxine Waters and a whole bunch of other folks out here that don't know that much about crypto and are trying to exact some kind of disciplinary action on the people that didn't miss the bus, there are some new candidates that are coming on board, and we need to be watching these new people. One of them I want to bring your attention to is this congressional candidate named Kurani, who is dropping 2022 Solana NFTs as part of her campaign in California. The reason I find this very interesting, as a matter of fact, you can see this article on CoinDesk about Shrina Kurani, Democrat running for House seat in California. I find this to be a very interesting article because what she's really trying to say is that the folks in Congress are not literate enough in the crypto sector to be legislating, and she feels that she has some knowledge in this area, and she's demonstrating that by actually using NFTs as part of her campaign. To me, this is a huge, huge deal. This is somebody that is embracing the technology and demonstrating to the crypto community that, hey, guess what? There's somebody out here that wants to be a legislator that is not a newbie to crypto. Will it mean that this person would be lenient when it comes to taxation initiatives that the Biden administration is trying to exact on crypto holders? I don't know. It's probably too early to say, but I would say that it is very, very, very interesting that she would run her campaign on the idea that she's going to bring some newfound intellect to the Congress about, crypto and cryptocurrency and how it can help in this area. So I think we need to be watching Miss Kurani, and I hope you guys will take a look at this article and tell me what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.